Hello everyone, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. And today we are delving into a subject that's crucial for businesses in this digital age, performance marketing. Performance marketing is more than just a buzzword, it's a strategic approach that has revolutionized the way businesses reach out to their customers and measure success. In a world where data-driven decisions are paramount, understanding performance marketing is no longer optional but essential. Join me as we embark on this exciting journey into the world of performance marketing. Let's get started.
1. Introduction to Performance Marketing, a comprehensive guide. Performance marketing is an innovative approach that focuses on measurable outcomes. It includes strategies that tie marketing activities directly to measurable results, providing businesses with insights and accountability. Its essential role in modern businesses stems from its data-driven methodologies, ROI focus, and alignment with specific goals. 2. Performance marketing strategies, best practice. The landscape of performance marketing continues to evolve. Adapting strategies to align with business goals and embracing the latest trends is essential. From utilizing AI and automation to crafting personalized campaigns, best practices in performance marketing enable businesses to stay ahead of the competition. 3. Tools and technology in performance marketing. Performance marketing leverages top tools and technology to enhance efficiency and effectiveness. From marketing automation platforms to customer relationship management systems, these tools allow businesses to target, analyze, and optimize their marketing efforts, shaping the future of marketing practices. 4. Performance marketing channels, finding the right mix. Choosing the right channels is crucial in performance marketing. Exploring options like PPC, SEO, email marketing, and social media helps businesses reach their target audiences effectively. Finding the right mix ensures that marketing messages resonate with consumers and drive desired actions. 5. Measuring success in performance marketing, key metrics and KPIs. Measurement is at the heart of performance marketing. By focusing on key metrics and KPIs, businesses can align their marketing efforts with specific goals, tracking success and making informed decisions. Metrics like conversion rates, ROI, and customer acquisition costs provide valuable insights into performance. 6. Performance marketing versus traditional marketing, a comparative analysis. Performance marketing offers a more targeted and accountable approach compared to traditional marketing. By focusing on measurable results and aligning strategies with specific goals, performance marketing provides transparency, efficiency, and a deeper connection with audiences, making it a preferred choice for many. 7. Performance marketing for small businesses, a practical guide. Small businesses can greatly benefit from performance marketing. Tailoring strategies to fit unique needs, utilizing cost-effective channels, and focusing on localized targeting can drive success. Case studies and actionable insights provide valuable guidance for small and medium-sized enterprises. 8. Performance marketing ethics and compliance, staying on the right side. Ethics and compliance are paramount in performance marketing. Balancing aggressive strategies with ethical considerations and following rules and regulations ensures that marketing efforts remain transparent, responsible, and on the right side of the law. 9. Performance marketing in different industries, customized approaches. Performance marketing varies across industries like retail, tech, and healthcare. Customized approaches cater to specific industry needs, enabling businesses to resonate with their target audiences. Adapting strategies to the unique landscape of each industry ensures alignment and effectiveness. 10. The future of performance marketing, trends and predictions. The future of performance marketing is promising, with trends like AI, voice search, AR, VR, and personalization at scale shaping the landscape. Staying ahead of the curve requires continuous learning, investment in technology, flexibility, and a willingness to innovate, providing exciting opportunities for growth. Performance marketing is a dynamic and multifaceted field, rich with opportunities for businesses of all sizes. Embracing the principles, tools, channels, ethics, and trends outlined in this guide can empower businesses to thrive in the modern marketing landscape. The future is bright, and the potential is boundless for those ready to explore and excel. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.